All right, guys. So if your switch 2 is basically in a boot loop where it's only showing the initial startup logos and it's going around over and over and consistently repeating that cycle as just shown just now, where it's simply going back and forth, either one logo or just the two initial logos, either of them, and it's simply just going round and round in circles and it won't start up the system itself fully. This tutorial will show you how to fix the boot loop issue on your Nintendo Switch 2. All right, so as you can see here, this is the Switch 2. So first of all, if your device is given the boot loop where it's stuck on either the Switch 2 logo and keep booting over and over, or on the Nintendo logo, either the first or the second one where it doesn't start up, do the following. All right, so first of all, go ahead and turn off your device. To do that, go ahead and hold down your power button. So as you can see, here's the power button. You're going to press and hold the power button for about 20-25 seconds. You can count 1, 2, and you get the idea, and then let go. And of course, the device is going to shut down completely. All right, unless you can't stop it from shutting down, do this from a shutdown state. So of course, go ahead next and pay close attention. What you're going to do is you're going to locate your volume button and your power button. You're going to hold the volume up and down button. To do that, you're going to see that center piece right there. You're going to hold just between the center piece, that gap that separates the up and down. You're going to hold that and you're going to hold power together. All right, let me show you what I mean. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to hold the volume up and down and power. So let me show you how. So we're going to press both of them at the same time. All right, so you're gonna keep holding, and of course, as soon as you see this screen, you're gonna let go. All right, so now you're in a new mode which you have never seen before, called recovery mode. Please note, recovery mode is a special mode that's designed to recover your device. So although the system wasn't able to boot earlier, it should be able to get to this mode, especially when you're stuck on either the first logo and going around in a boot loop or the second logo. Right, it doesn't matter, as long as the system is not booting up, you should be able to get here. All right, now once you're in this mode, what you want to do here is, depending on the situation. Now if it was that you last did a software update or did something to your system, that you added something or modified something or whatever it is that caused the system to be in a boot loop, or maybe you have no idea, it depends on the situation, you'll do one of the following. Now of course, if you have no clue why it's happening or why you're in the boot loop, go down to restore settings. So you're going to delete all the data on the system except for the saved data, right, and screenshots and videos. You can try this option, but in most cases, this is the one that's going to work for you. So if it's a severe case where there's no chance of recovery, do note this will also delete all your data. So depending on the situation, in most cases, you'll have to wipe the device. So you're going to restore factory settings. And as I said, be warned that this is going to erase your device. So choose this one in most cases, that this is one is going to help you out. You're going to go ahead and confirm. You're going to follow the on-screen instruction. It's going to wipe the device clean, and in most cases the system is going to reboot and it should start up fully. All right, so whatever was on the system that was causing it to crash, or maybe whatever that caused it to be not booting up, if you restore factory settings, it should fix it. In some cases, you may, if you don't want to go that extreme and you still want to attempt to save your data, you could try restore settings. All right, so that's like the softer option. You may want to try that first, then try restore factory settings. But in most cases, the restore factory setting will delete all the data on the memory is gonna be the one that's gonna solve it. But you can try this one first, then try this one. All right, in rare cases where you did an update and that update it resulted in it not booting, you may in some cases as well try update system now. All right, so if it's a fault of Nintendo, and of course they do test these updates before they release them, so it's highly unlikely, you can try to see if it's a bug related to your system, if trying to update the system will help. So you can try updating the system in some cases, but in most cases, as you said, go ahead and try to restore and factory reset, and then you should get back access to your device and it should be up again. All right, in some cases, if you want to try the softer method, try this one. And in the rare case that it was a bug related to an update, you can see if there's a patch out by checking for updates and then see if you'll boot. All right, so I do hope this was useful in trying to fix your device that's stuck on boot. But of course, in most cases, as we said, you'd have to just suck it up and decide to do a restore factory settings. And of course, if your games are backed up online, your save states, then you have nothing to worry about. You can just cut through all of that and go straight to restore factory settings, reboot your system. And then of course, once the system is rebooted, you'll be good again and you'll be up and your system should be recovered. All right, so I do hope this was useful. Just showing you how to get to this special utility mode to reset your system in cases where it's just stuck in an endless cycle. Usually, if you take this into us for repair, this is what they're gonna do. So of course, you can save yourself a lot of time and money by simply doing this and saving yourself the trouble. And of course, the side effect would be the data loss unless you are backed up online or in some other way with your save states. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.